In this video, I'm going to be walking through how to wire up a light switch, and this is going to cover single pole switches. So basically what we have here is a brand new light switch. I threw in some new wiring up here so we can have some ceiling lights right there and also right there. And now what I'm going to do is get our switch in. And so basically the way that I recommend doing it is buying some of these Wego connectors. And so what you're going to do is, number one, right now the power is off and I have a volt checker to confirm that right here. And so basically with these volt checkers, you can just touch them around all these wires and verify that, you know, it's not, this would be flashing a bunch of times if it was hot, which it's not. So basically the way these switches work is you will connect up your two neutrals inside your switch box. These are always going to be connected. Your two grounds will always be connected. And then also on the switch itself, like on this guy, you've got a green wire right here. Also, it's going to go to your copper wire right here. So what the switch is going to do is it's going to take your two black wires and your two and of these two wires, only one of which is going to be actually hot when your power is on. So right now, I'm going to turn the power back on, and then we'll show which of these two guys is actually hot. And then from there, we will proceed. All right, so just flip the power back on, and I'm going to check this black wire. You can see we have nothing. Gonna check this black wire. You can see that's hot. So basically, what's gonna happen is when you flip your switch to the on position, it's going to bridge these two black wires together. And when they're bridged together, then you're gonna be able to complete a circuit, which is gonna be able to turn on this light. So with, you know, the super basic single pole switch like this, no dimmer, you are just going to throw it on. And the thing to note here is it doesn't care which way it is, because it doesn't care. You can connect the two black wires to either one of these poles and flip it. So not really super important to actually know which one of these is your line wire, but nice to, I guess, keep in your mind. But yeah, so all that's happening is you're connecting your line wire, your hot wire, to the other black wire here to complete the circuit to make other lights in your thing light up. So now that that's done, what I'm going to do is, again, we're going to connect the two whites, the two coppers, and then I'm also going to connect the switch. I'm going to be using this dimmer switch, and for this particular model, because I'm not doing a three-way switch, I've capped off the red-white wire. And then for the black and red wires, it doesn't matter the order again, but they're going to be going to either one of those things. And then this green one is going to be connecting to that copper. So I'm going to wire this up, and then we'll flip it on and see how it looks. All right, so connected up the whites, black to red, black to black, and then all the coppers together on these guys. And the power's on now, so I'm going to flip this switch. And you can see that light comes on and off. And I can also dim it by sliding this guy up. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so that's how you wire up these new switch boxes. Gonna keep on choking away with this to get that guy in, and then we'll do another in that corner and that corner. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and take it easy.